Ever wondered what a network switch actually is? Let's break it down real simple.
Okay, so picture a small office. You've got a bunch of devices that need to talk.
First up, you have one computer, kind of working all by itself in a corner. And over there, you've got your coworker's machine, also completely disconnected.
Plus, there's that shared printer that, well, no one can actually use right now. Each device is basically its own little island. No way for them to share anything. The solution to this whole connection problem? It's the network switch.
This one smart box physically links all your devices to create one local network.
But how does it handle all that data traffic without creating total chaos?
This is where its intelligence really shines. It knows exactly where to send everything.
So data from computer A goes directly to computer B without bothering anyone else.
And the benefits are immediate. We're talking file sharing, printer access, and way more.
Suddenly, the whole team can work together seamlessly with no effort at all.
So, to recap, a switch connects your devices and intelligently routes data between them.
The key thing to remember, the switch is basically the traffic controller for your network.
If you learned something new in this 2 minutes, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.